Why do humans have eyebrows? Have you ever wondered why humans have eyebrows? They sit quietly above our eyes, and most of the time, we barely notice them. But if you imagine a face without eyebrows, something suddenly feels strange, almost unnatural. So why do humans have eyebrows? Are they just a leftover feature from evolution, or do they actually serve a purpose? The answer is more fascinating than you might expect. One of the most important roles of eyebrows is protecting our eyes. Our foreheads produce sweat constantly, especially when we are exercising, working, or exposed to heat. Without eyebrows, that sweat would run directly down into our eyes, but eyebrows act like a small, natural barrier. Their curved shape helps redirect sweat and rain toward the sides of the face instead of straight down. This small design helps keep our vision clear, and when you think about it, that can be incredibly important. Throughout human history, clear vision meant being able to hunt, move safely, and avoid danger. Even today, a drop of sweat in your eye can instantly blur your vision. Eyebrows help prevent that from happening. But protection is only part of the story. Eyebrows are also a powerful tool for communication. Humans constantly move their eyebrows without even noticing. When you're surprised, your eyebrows shoot upward. When you're angry or focused, they move downward and closer together. When you're sad, the inner corners of your eyebrows rise. These small movements help other people understand what you're feeling. And the interesting part is that this happens extremely quickly. Sometimes people can read emotional signals from eyebrows in less than a second, even from a distance. In fact, some researchers believe eyebrows are one of the most important parts of facial expression. Without them, our emotions would be much harder to read. Scientists believe eyebrows also played a role in human evolution. Early humans depended heavily on social cooperation. They needed to communicate quickly with others in their group. Facial expressions helped signal danger, trust, curiosity, and emotion. Eyebrows made those signals clearer. Interestingly, when scientists compare modern human skulls to those of ancient human ancestors, they notice something surprising. Early human species had large brow ridges above their eyes. Over time, as human faces became flatter and more expressive, these ridges reduced. This allowed eyebrows to move more freely, which made facial expressions even clearer. Some scientists believe this change may have helped humans become better at social communication, and that may have played a role in the success of our species. Eyebrows also help define how we recognize faces. In fact, experiments have shown something surprising. When researchers removed eyebrows from photos of people, participants had a much harder time recognizing who the person was, even more than when the eyes were removed. That means eyebrows are extremely important for identifying faces. They frame the eyes and give structure to the face. This helps our brains quickly recognize people we know. So while eyebrows may seem like a small and simple feature, they actually do several important things at once. They protect our eyes from sweat and rain. They help us communicate emotions. They played a role in human evolution, and they even help us recognize each other. All from two small lines of hair above our eyes. Which just goes to show, sometimes the smallest details of the human body are doing much more than we realize. Follow the channel to discover the hidden reasons behind the things we see every day.